Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 1 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative Patient. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your assignment by watching this video. Okay. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course. Don't hesitate to contact for support and advice courses. Let's start our assignment. Title of assignment Exp22 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative Patient. Okay. Title of assignment is you can see your project description. Okay, here is project description. You can see your project description. To get ready about your project, you can get ready about your project here. Moving on step number 1. Okay, this is project description. You can get ready about your project. Now moving on step number 1. Step number 1 is about Excel workbook. You can download your Excel workbook, Excel sheet from ITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel worksheet from ITLab dashboard. Okay, now I'm moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that create a cluster column chart using the range A2 to C7 on the April worksheet. Move the chart to cell A1 in the chart sheet. Okay, we will basically in this step we will have to create a cluster column chart using the range A2 to C7. Okay, first we will select the range. Okay, go to the April worksheet, select this range. I selected this range. On the April worksheet, create a cluster column chart. Go to the page layout, insert. Go to the insert tab, recommended chart. Here's scatter chart, cluster column chart. Here is cluster column chart. Okay, it will be cluster column chart. Move the chart to cell A1 in the chart sheet. We will move this chart to the chart sheet. Here is April. Here is chart. Here is chart sheet. Okay, cut the chart and move in cell A1. Yes. I done two step of the assignment. Now I'm moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is change the chart title to blood pressure reading in April and bold the title. And basically in this step we will have to change the chart title. First we will select this chart title. Okay, go. Okay, tap in formula bar. This is chart title. Change the chart title. It will be changed. Okay, change the chart and tap to cluster bar. Step number 4 is that change the chart type to cluster bar. Go to the chart. Okay, format, chart design, chart type is bar. Here is cluster bar. Is change the chart type. I done step 4 step. 4 step is completed now. Now step number 5 is that set font height. Okay, set 4-inch height. Here's go to the home tab and chart design and go to the format. Here is height and here is weight. Change the height for. Okay, it will be changed. Now I am moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that select the dates on the axis and display the format axis task pane. In this axis option category, select text axis to remove the extra date from the charts. Okay, basically in this tab we will select the dates on the axis and display the format axis task pane. Okay, go to the Excel workbook, select the date, click on right, it will be on right click, format axis. Okay, text axis. Okay, text axis, remove the extra date from the chart. Yes. Okay, remove, automatically remove. Okay, our sixth step is completed now. Now I'm moving on to step number 7. Display the dates in reverse order on the category axis. So for 1 to 20, 24 is the top of the vertical axis. Display the dates in reverse order. Go to the Excel workbook. Okay, click on dates, right click, format axis. Then we will go to, here is category in reverse order. Okay, it will be reverse order. Then for 1, 20, 24 is on the top. Oh, for 1, sorry, right click on this, format axis, category is reverse order. 4, 1, 20, 24 is on the top. Here it will be reverse. Okay, I done 7 step of this 7. Now I am moving on step number 8. Create a line chart using the range is 3 to 7 and D3 to D7 on the April worksheet. Move the line chart to start a cell A1 to the chart sheet. Create a line. Basically in this step we will create a line chart. Okay, basically in this step we will create a line chart using the range A3 to A7 and D3 to D7. Okay, first we will select the range, April worksheet. This select first range, and second range is that D3 to D7. For second range selected, click on control D3 to D7. For two range selected, click select first range, then click on control, then you can select second range. Okay, it will be select range. Create, we will have to create a line chart. Okay, go to the home tab, then go to the insert. Okay, recommended chart, click on recommended chart, select on line chart. Okay, it will be selected. Now chart to start in cell A1 and cell I1 in the, move the line chart to start in cell I1 in the chart sheet. Okay, move chart. Here is chart sheet. Click on move chart. Okay, it's cut and click on I1, paste in I1. Okay, it will be pasted in I1. Now 8th step is completed of this assignment. Now I am going to the 9th step on this assignment. Okay, set 3.5 inches height and 5 inches width. Okay, go to the Excel workbook, click on chart. Okay, click on format, not plot area, only chart area. Click on format and select first range selected, height and width 5 inches is width, already 5 inches. Okay, it will be apply. Now I have done 9 step. Now I am moving on step number 10 of this assignment. Change the title, change the title, change the line chart title, heart rates in April, and bold the title. First I select this title. Okay, and basically in this step we will have to change the chart title. Now I am going to change the chart title. This is chart title. Okay, it will be changed. Sorry, it will be changed. Now I have done 10 step of this assignment. Now I'm moving on 11 steps. Select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra date from the charts. Okay, I already done this step. Okay, basically in this step we will have to select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra date from the charts. Okay, go to the Excel workbook. First we select this date. Go to the format axis. Okay, here is text axis. Okay, it will be selected, it will be apply. Okay, I have done 11 step. Now I'm moving on step number 12. Step number 12 is that apply black text one font color to the value axis and to the category axis on the line chart. Apply black text one font color. Okay. And basically in this step we will have to apply black text font color to the value axis and the category axis on the chart. Okay. And go to the Excel book. Here is value axis black. Here is black text font color. Okay. Value axis and category axis. Okay. Both are selected. Both are applying. Okay. Now I am moving on step number 13. Step number 13 is that apply light gradient asset 1 gradient fill color to the plot area on the line chart. Basically in this step we will have to apply light gradient as accent 1 gradient fill color to the plot area. Okay. Go to the Excel workbook, click on plot area, right click on plot area. Okay. Here is fill color. Here is fill color. Accent 1 gradient fill color. Okay, light gradient accent 1 gradient fill color. Click on gradient fill color. Okay, here is click and here is accent 1 fill, accent 1 light gradient accent 1. Okay, it will be apply accent 1 fill color gradient fill color. Okay, now I have done 13 step of this assignment. Now I am going to the 14th step of this assignment. Moving on step number 14. 14th step is that add data label in the above position on the line chart. We will have to add data label in the above position. Okay, we will moving on Excel workbook. Click on this tab, data label. Data label is above. Okay, it will be blank. Data label is the above position on the chart, line chart. Okay, I have done 14 step of this assignment. Now I am going to the 15th step. Moving on 15th step. 15th step is that create 2D pie chart using the range F3 to F4 and H3 to H4 in the April worksheet. Move the chart to start in A22 in the chart sheet. Okay. Step number 15 is that create a 2D pie chart using the range F3 to F4. First, we will basically in this step we will have to select the range F3 to F4 and H3 to H4, and then we will create a 2D pie chart. First, we will have to select first range F3 to F4. Go to the Excel workbook. Okay, April workbook, and first we will select this range. Okay, then click on control and H3 to H4. Click on control. Here is H3 to H4. Okay, and we will have to create a 2D pie chart. Here is pie chart. Inside 2D pie chart, 3D pie chart. Okay, we will have to create a 2D pie chart. It will be move on chart sheet. Chart sheet. Okay, and A22 start and cell A22. It will be cut and start A22. Where is 22? Here is A22. Okay, paste in A22. I have done 15 step of this assignment. Now I'm moving on step number 16. Step number 16 is that change the chart title to the percentage of normal high blood pressure and apply black text one font color title. And basically in this step we will have to change the chart title. First we will select this title. Okay, and go to the Excel workbook and click on chart title. Here is chart title. Okay, type in formula bar. It will be tab. Okay, and apply black text one font color to title. Black text one font color. Here is black text one font color. Okay, I have done 16 step is completed. Now I am Moving on to step number 17. Step number 17 is that remove the legend, add category name and percentage data label. In the best fit position, remove the value data label. Okay, basically in this step we will have to remove the legend first, then add category name and percentage data label in the best fit position, and then we will remove the value data labels. Okay, go to the chart, click on this tab, click on data label, click on more position, more option. Okay, we will select categories name and percentage and remove value. Okay, this is applying. Now remove the legend. Okay, here is legend, remove the legend, it will be applying. Okay, now I am going to step number 18. Step number 18 is that step number 18 is that apply red solid fill color to the high potential slice and explode the slide by 6%. Apply red solid fill color to the high hypothesis slice. Okay, click on hypothesis slice. Okay, it will be 6%. Explode the slice by 6%. Okay, it will be exploded. Okay, now apply red solid fill color. Basically in this step we will have to apply red solid fill color on this hypothesis 60. Okay, go to the home tab, go to the home tab, click on fill color, red fill color. Okay, let me see, apply red solid fill color. Okay, here is red solid fill color. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, total step of this assignment is 30. I done 18 step of this assignment. For remaining steps, or you want to deal for complete course, if you want to help in your courses, your assignments, your exams, you can contact me through email and WhatsApp. Both are given in description and it's on my PC screen. I have done these courses for many students and they all got 100% their courses. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Okay, thank you so much.